So you're thinking about buying one of those above ground pools like an Intex or a Bestway, you know, the ones you see at Costco or Walmart or online in the big box, and you're wondering, should I get one? Well, honestly, I think they're awesome. But this is what happens to most of them by July. And honestly, most of the problem is filtration and circulation. The truth is, the pool that they sell you in the box is only about halfway finished. These upgrades changed everything for me. The first thing is the pump and filter system. To be fair, a lot of these pools actually do come with sand filters now, but they're usually undersized for the amount of water you're trying to move. Most people think cloudy water is a chlorine problem. A lot of time, it's a filtration problem. This larger pump and filter setup completely transformed this pool. It actually removes the junk instead of just circulating it around. If you buy the pool, this is the upgrade I'd prioritize first. The second thing, this little skimmer. Most box store pools basically just have an intake hole in the side. Without this, all this junk would sink to the bottom. And it starts rotting and turns your pool into a swamp. This thing works while I'm asleep. Now let's talk about the worst part of most above ground pools. The stock ladders are horrible. They rust, they wobble, and they make the whole thing feel cheap. So I upgraded to this. And suddenly it stopped feeling temporary. It feels solid, safe, permanent. It honestly changed the feel of the whole backyard. You also need a vacuum to pick up the debris on the bottom of the pool. Now you don't need a fancy robot or anything. I use this relatively cheap garden hose vacuum instead. It's simple, fast, and it works great. My actual maintenance time is probably 10 to 15 minutes a week. Now here's where pool stores make a fortune. You do not need 15 specialty chemicals. Most of what I use comes from the hardware store or the big box store. I mainly use liquid chlorine and baking soda for alkalinity. Now if you need pH up, you can use some washing soda, or pH down, some muriatic acid. And that's it. That's basically my system. Before setting the pool up, I got some sand from the sand and gravel place, and I set it down and made a nice soft foundation. That makes it better on your feet. And then my family and I just set up the pool, and it took a couple hours. Eventually, I strung solar lights around the perimeter of the pool using 3M command strips. Completely unnecessary, but honestly, one of my favorite upgrades. And suddenly, this stops feeling like some temporary Costco pool and starts feeling like a real backyard escape. So, should you buy that above ground pool in the box? Yes, definitely yes. You just have to detoy it first. I'll link everything I used in the pinned comment below. And if your pool already looks like this, watch the next video where I turned my pool from a swamp into a crystal clear oasis in just 6 days. Thanks for watching.